Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mohan and you are watching Affiliate in Flux. So today is the last day of One Funnel Away Challenge. Yes, today is 26th day of One Funnel Away Challenge, and congratulations to all of you who are still with me and following the One Funnel Away Challenge, and all of them who has taken One Funnel Away Challenge and has completed it. So guys, in today's video, it will be a summary of what we have learned throughout the process. So I have uploaded all the videos day by day learning about One Funnel Away Challenge. And if you have not watched those videos, please go and watch them because they are super important and it will definitely help you in One Funnel Away Challenge. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notification from my upcoming videos. So without any delay, let's start the slides. We have learned so far in One Funnel Away Challenge. You have created your first product. You have created your own sales funnel for your business, for your product, or for your services. So in the journey of these 26 days, or you can say like 30 days of One Funnel Away Challenge, you have learned how you can create a product. You have learned how we can deliver our product, our services to the prospect, to the audience in different forms. We have seen how we can create a product that we can deliver by do it yourself form or in the form of done for you or done with you version. After that, we have learned about the human psychology, or you can say like the customer mindset about the business, because this is very important, right? Because if you are in business, it is very important to understand the psychology of your customer. We have learned how we can create our offers, right? Offer creation is very important because if your offer is irresistible, your sale will be high. We have learned about the content creation, how we can create content for our business, for our Facebook page, or for our audience. We have seen how we can grow one by one, step by step, and we can give the result what our audience want. We have learned about the sales funnel, all steps in the sales funnel. We have learned how we can create a sales letter or a sales video about our product, how we can create order form bump. After that, we have learned how we can create one-time offer one-time offer two, members area, and thank you page. In the last, we have learned about the Dream 100. We created our Dream 100 list, which is very important for your business to grow. From all those lists, you can take out people and you can approach them and you can promote your product. You have created your own Facebook group, Facebook page, and you have nurtured your audience till now. Learn how you can promote your product, how you can promote yourself, how you can build the brand, how you can build the authority. In recent videos, we have seen how you can create Facebook ads, how you can run it, and what are the things you should consider while creating your Facebook ads. So this is what we have learned till now in One Funnel Away Challenge. Now, what next you can do with those learnings which you have done using One Funnel Away Challenge, which you have learned using One Funnel Away Challenge. So first thing is launch your funnel, launch your first funnel. Do not think much about it like it is looking good, it is bad, will it convert or not. Just launch your funnel with a great sales page or with a good sales video and all those things which you have learned in the sales funnel 30 days program. Create different offers for your product or your services. You can study the market, you can check all other funnels. You should know what is working in the current market. You should look opportunity for new businesses, right? We need to fail fast, fail differently. There are many things to try in the business or the market because market is very dynamic. You can see it is changing every day. So in your business also, you can try different things. You can learn more about funnels and how you can promote the funnels. How are the different ways to build a funnel or different types of funnel and how you can promote your product, your services using those funnels. And most important is be consistent in your business, because if you are an online business, your Facebook profile, your Facebook page, or your Facebook group will act as a shop, and you need to be consistent. You need to show up every day in front of your audience. This is the only way to be successful for the long term in your business. Most important, If you have not completed one funnel away challenge, or if you have not watched all those 30 days videos of one funnel away challenge, please go and watch them. Try to learn a lot from them and implement it and build your own sales funnel. This is very, very important, because majority of the people who has joined one funnel away challenge, they have not completed it. Guys, this is the gold mine of knowledge. By using one funnel away challenge, or by using the learning of one funnel away challenge, you can grow your business multifold. You will have a lot of ideas about business. You will have lot of things to implement. You can look for other businesses, how they are growing, how other funnels are working. So all of this you can learn in one funnel away challenge. You have learned a lot of things, and you need to think like a marketer. So at starting phase, we have learned how we can create sales funnel. So here you can see, first we have a product, we have a service, we have created our flagship framework, and we have created a beautiful sales video for our product, our service, and then we have created some of the bonuses. Then again, after that page, we have created order form bump. After order form bump, we have created our one-time offer one, and that is there also we have a sales video, and again yes or no button. Similarly, we have created OTO number 2, and again a sales video and yes or no button. Or after that, we have created a thank you page. So guys, you just monitor how many funnels are working in the market. Who are the people who are using funnels on in their business? You should go and check all those funnels. You should study those funnels, how people are promoting their product or their services. You should think about the hook they are using. So normally when you scroll your phone, or when you scrolling your screen, and you hooked some and you hooked in some post, just think like why you have hooked. Just note down all the points. Note down what is the hook they have used, and you can think similar hook for your business. You can take a lot of knowledge from those hooks. What are the story they are telling? What are the ways they are telling the story, and how they are connecting their product with that particular story, and how they are creating the offers. So we have only learned about the sales funnel, but there are different kinds of funnel. There can be webinar funnel, there can be challenge funnel, or there can be different funnels. You go and search in the market, go to Facebook, or you can search in other places as well. Go and check how they are creating funnels, what are the structures, and what are the things they are promoting, and how they are promoting their self, how they are promoting their offers, how they're creating their offers. Guys, now you have learned how to create funnel. So this is only about sales funnel. You can create your webinar funnel, you can create your challenge funnel, you can create your coaching funnel. So any type of funnel now you can create, because you have the idea. Again, I will say, go and search more what kind of funnel people are using, how they are making the hooks, and what are the content they are putting in their sales letter. And after that, what are the story they are telling, how they are relating their product from the story, and what offers they are giving. If you learn all those art, that will be a huge success for you. Structure is always same, so you can learn from others. Structure will always be same. The only few changes you need to do, and you need to use your own mind, own brain, or own ideas, innovation, and your own art to build your own funnel. So this is it for today, and with this we are closing our one funnel away challenge series. I hope you have got the value from these series, or from these videos. And again, guys, if you have not joined one funnel away challenge till now, I will highly recommend you to go and join one funnel away challenge, because this is the life changing moment. Guys, if you are in online world, you check any marketer who is successful. You can go and check in their lifetime they have used funnel, and they have joined one funnel away challenge. And after joining one funnel away challenge, after getting the ideas from one funnel away challenge, they have used that in their business, and now their business is growing like anything. I have created all those videos for you, because sometimes it is hard to understand what Russell is saying. Intention for creating all those videos is to make it simplify for you. Joining one funnel away challenge, that will be the best. And if your budget does not allow to buy one funnel away challenge, you can still watch my all my videos and you will get a lot of knowledge from these videos. And I hopefully there are different other platforms which are free and you can learn making funnel from those platforms. And if you really want to join one funnel away challenge using my link, I will put the link into the description. And if you will join using my link, I will provide you many bonuses, and out of that bonuses, one bonus will be two physical books which I will be giving you after 30 days of joining one funnel away challenge. Along with that, I will give you one funnel away challenge or OFA support for 30 days. So this is it for today, and I will come up with more such videos related to OFA, related to funnels, or anything related to digital marketing or internet marketing. So thank you so much for watching my videos. And again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to it and do not forget to press the bell icon. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.